What's up, guys? We back with another video. But before we get into it,
run our intro.
Alright guys, so we back with another mukbang. We got a Chick-fil-A. Oh.
Chick-fil-A.
Have you ever did a Chick-fil-A mukbang?
Nope, never did.
I feel like we have.
Nope, we never did a Chick-fil-A. What do everybody have? Let everybody know.
I have the regular deluxe sandwich with fries and Chick-fil-A sauce, buffalo sauce, and barbecue sauce.
What you got, baby?
I got the spicy deluxe with some chicken strips.
I got the chicken tenders with some fries.
I got the spicy deluxe with fries.
I got the spicy deluxe with fries as well.
Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and dig in and start eating. Trying to open my sauce. I love this hair. One thing about Chick-fil-A, they have so many varieties of sauce and they're not stingy with it. What you think, babe?
You're right.
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta say that.
My fries cold.
Mine is too.
No, mine's hot. Mine warm.
So anything we need to tell our family, babe? Anything new? Haven't seen from the forever.
Yeah, we ain't posted in a while.
About 2 weeks.
Yep. Man, we've been so busy. We had a big wedding that we had to get ready for. A lot of time. That was a fail.
Really was.
Wow.
Why are you opening it like that? All over you.
You need a bib.
Yeah, he do. Just put it. Oh, Shannon. Oh, Lord. Wipe your hands.
She said, what?
He just got it all over my new shirt my baby just bought me. Look. My child.
Mom life.
That's that mom life for you.
I know. Sit right next to the baby. How's everybody food? I haven't tried it.
Good.
Good.
Haven't tried the sandwich yet.
What you have? Well, who
Oh,
did?
yeah, I have.
Right, I'm about to say who bid it in, Sean?
You stupid.
They're not. I don't even remember.
It's good to me. I don't think we had Chick-fil-A in a minute. You know the fries? Huh?
You have?
No, we haven't. You know the fries cold, it's still good. Sorry, we not doing a lot of stuff, but we hungry.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
We haven't, what we eat, like one time today?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why did you remember this so much? Delicious.
Starving.
Especially the looks good. I've had one in a while.
So Justin just went on homecoming Saturday. How was homecoming, Justin?
Good.
Have fun. Sophomore year in school. Sean went to a house party for the first time. How was it?
Good.
Did you have fun?
My birthday comes up.
Oh yeah, you tell him, Shannon.
My birthday's coming up on Friday.
We know you looking forward to it, huh?
I know it.
What you trying to do on your birthday? I already tell people what you want to do. Wipe your face.
I'm gonna go to GameStop.
GameStop?
I'm gonna do a GameStop shopping spree.
GameStop shopping spree. You gonna take me with you?
If you're ready.
I need a headset. Hey y'all, if y'all wanna game with me, my gamer tag is, what's my gamer tag?
Dad got skills.
Dad got skills 84. Boom. I ain't got no games though.
But he ain't got no what is it called? A system. He's borrowing our oldest son.
I jacked me a PlayStation 4. Only thing on there is Fortnite. And I hate that game.
You hate that game.
I suck.
So don't ask him if you like Fortnite.
Yeah, Fortnite, that's a stupid game.
Oh, they gonna come at you on the comments when they get them.
You gotta do too much too fast.
Cause you gotta have skill.
As soon as I fall out the sky, they shoot me. Like, why can't I fall out the sky faster?
You can't tell to stop falling.
Honey,
I don't know nothing about that.
Of course not.
you're not. You just putting too much. Look at it. Look at your hands.
I might jump on 2K19 though, or Call of Duty or something.
You come get from the break.
Used to be another Call of Duty, right?
Yeah.
NFL.
It is so good, guys. Oh my god. Amazing.
Go Chick-fil-A, try the Chick-fil-A sauce.
What'd you say?
Go Chick-fil-A, try Chick-fil-A sauce.
Chick-fil-A sauce. It tastes like
Which one is that?
honey mustard. I gave you one.
It's like barbecue sauce.
It's just like honey mustard and barbecue mixed together. Oh boy, Shan, please don't.
I'm waiting. Okay.
Nice hair.
Something different. Oh yeah, go check out my hair tutorial. We will be posting it very soon. Something new on our channel.
Yeah.
I get a lot of questions about my natural hair, what products I use, how I do it, and different things. So I'm trying to ease into doing hair tutorials. You guys let me know if you have any questions or any hairdos you want me to do.
Just with my buffalo sauce. It's good. I would eat it.
You double dip. Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
I double dip in all other sauces.
Oh, but you didn't double dip in that one.
I don't double dip in that stuff because I only eat it once every Friday because it's spicy.
Sound like a bunch of crap.
But we miss you guys so much, don't we, babe? We miss you. Our family is steady growing. We done got a good 300 new family members.
Something like that.
We do apologize. We're gonna go get back to blogging more, doing more reactions again.
Oh, then I got in the gym.
Oh yeah.
Man, doing these videos and editing videos take a lot of time. So I wasn't going to the gym. I was getting fat. I'm getting it back now. This Chick-fil-A ain't open. You a hater.
You know Chick-fil-A ain't helping?
Nah, it ain't helping. So I'm gonna burn it off tomorrow. That shit, you good?
That's what I'm waiting for.
Ain't too spicy for you?
All the stuff you got on there. You put honey on there.
He said that's restaurant. We were like, oh, the Chinese one. He's like, yeah. I want honey.
But I always do my voice like that. My voice is not like that. That's what
White
the
difference.
I think Shannon got the deepest voice out of all three of y'all.
You got the biggest hands.
I got a deeper voice than you, so what are you talking about?
Look at that. You look like a pig.
You're not big, it's fat.
Damn, why they always come for us, Ashley?
Not today, not my baby.
They always come for us, huh?
See, I don't like ugly. I don't like ugly.
Shan, tell him. Don't make me have to show you what these big hands do. Put the paws on. You don't want that, huh, Shan?
I thought you was getting the chicken tender. Change your mind? I didn't get that. You did when you was sitting over there.
I swear that regular deluxe chicken sandwich.
Oh, yeah, you do.
Oh, my God.
Got a little indigestion. Dang, cause you scarfed that damn burger down too fast.
Dang, Sean. His burger gone. He always first one to eat everything.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm full.
I'm not.
You full? Oh, you did eat what, 2 chicken tenders too?
Anybody want a chicken tender?
I'll taste it.
Right. Give me that. You can have that one. I'm hungry.
That's the first time I did not feel food.
Not today. I'm so hungry.
Yeah, I know this coming.
What? Babe.
It ain't no mukbang without it. No, you better
You
not.
better not. I'm not going.
I held mine.
Sean.
Sound like a fart on camera.
Babe. Stop telling people that. That's nasty.
I held mine. You can
It's
hold
true.
yours.
He does. That's rude.
I'll quit the table.
I want that. Jason does too.
I'm tired. Cool.
Ain't no sleeping at night, baby.
Hey, auto chicken sandwich?
We gotta make money, boo.
Didn't even finish a chicken sandwich?
Cool.
What? You said you're hungry.
I am. I was.
You was. Can't eat no more.
Good.
My husband, the food defeated him this time. This food ain't never defeated him.
So I can get back in the gym, get a nice little diet, eating healthy. Can't eat like I used to. I used to better bang 2 of these.
This food is defeating him. He always eat his food more than anybody.
Try to get back on that team fit.
Do you think Chick-fil-A has the best chicken sandwiches?
I think so.
Excuse me. Oh, can I come out over everybody?
Mm-hmm. Something about it. They expensive too.
I think it's the bread. How much you pay for all this?
It was like $45.
I was paying attention. Where is my...
43.
Mm.
I guess it ain't bad.
Not bad. But you got an extra chicken tender.
You're not going to show fries. That's the everybody.
I think everybody fries
You
gone.
want these crumbs? You want these spicy?
That is gone.
Especially with it.
It's good. Something spicy. Not spicy as like the old food.
I'm full.
What's that, Shine?
Meat.
This one. I'm about to eat. Trying to tell you, my appetite be up and down.
No.
He be rooting for me. What you be saying for me?
Oh, what I say at TGI
What
Friday?
you said, TGI Friday?
What did I say?
Come on, baby. Eat that, baby.
Yeah, come on, baby, eat.
Yeah, do it, baby.
You can do it. You can do it. Essie, she don't eat like she used to.
No, but I noticed.
I can still eat. I just try not to eat as much.
I noticed that you only eat when you have a taste for something.
Yeah, that's true. Dang it. Everybody doing it.
So what's been going on social media? What's the latest news? Kanye met with Trump.
Oh, God, let's not discuss that.
What else? Lil Wayne dropped the album last week.
My girl Queen is going on tour.
She was just here yesterday.
She was? In Chicago? Oh my God. I want to go see her too. Wow.
Spicy. It's hot. Like a whole burger.
Is it spicy?
I ate a full burger.
Oh, you can eat that buffalo sauce again.
I have buffalo sauce.
I love her.
I have buffalo sauce now.
But you ain't eat it like that.
Yeah, I know. Let's see if it's wasted.
Hi, Miss Queen.
Miss.
I missed her come here. She was in Chicago.
Last night with Queen's little prego self.
She's so tiny.
She was so different.
CJ who?
First time.
He was looking. I don't think he was.
The baby?
My special cut my husband bought me when we was in Tennessee, right?
Mm.
He bought this for me when we was in Tennessee. It says, I am a teacher. What's your... What does it say?
Oh, everybody's milk on the inside.
Do it?
It was like,
I see it's
You
like
got
popping
trouble.
out.
Oh yeah.
No, it is. I am a teacher. What's your superpower? Really good. It's my favorite.
Oh, should
what's going on in y'all social media world?
Not much.
What's up with Pretty Boy Fredo?
Nothing much.
Jake Paul and them?
Sure, don't watch Jake Paul.
You don't watch J. Paul?
Both of them are lame.
You been following anything on the Prince family?
I love Prince.
What about the Ace family?
I still watch that.
Oh,
I ain't even gonna watch
It's having a
that.
birthday this week.
Not like that.
You really ain't been on
We've been
YouTube?
so busy. Like, by the time I come home,
I know
I'm
you
like
did.
exhausted.
They're about to have their baby in
I only watched
two days.
Now I only watch.
Or they were either already had it.
I've been so tired because, guys, I'm telling you, me and Shannon, we get up so early in the morning and then we drive like an hour to work and then an hour home. And then I gotta come home, cook dinner. I wash a load of clothes every day, clean up the house, do dishes, get the kids' school clothes ready, homework. So that's why we haven't really had any time to really
You missing the main part.
Yeah.
Big ass crumb. Yeah, you over there grossing your brother out.
You know, Jay hates that filthy stuff.
Justin clean for just like
What's good, Jay? What's so quiet?
Right. What's going on in school with you?
Who got into a fight?
Sean, be quiet. Stop lying. Okay, but don't lie, okay?
He told you that?
No, Sean just...
Dress it up and make it real for me.